In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs, Beginner's Guide 2026. By the end, you'll turn a written script into a natural-sounding AI voice and download the audio file using ElevenLabs text-to-speech. First, go to elevenlabs.io and sign up or log in. In your browser's address bar, type elevenlabs.io and press Enter. On the home page, click Sign Up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to access your dashboard. Keep your login details secure and avoid sharing any personal information in your project names or text. Next, open Text-to-Speech from the dashboard. On the main screen, look for Text-to-Speech and click it. This is the workspace where you'll convert your text into audio. Wait for the page to load fully so all controls are available. Now, type or paste your script into the text box. Click inside the large text area and paste your content, or start typing directly. Keep sentences clear and use punctuation to guide the voice. Commas, periods, and line breaks help control pacing and make the AI voice sound more natural. If you spot a typo, fix it here before generating audio. From here, choose a voice from the voice library. Click Voice Library to browse available options. You can quickly preview a voice by clicking the play icon next to it. When you find a good match for your project, click Select or Use to apply that voice to your script. If you change your mind, you can switch voices at any time before generating. Once that's done, adjust stability and style, or style exaggeration for expression. Move the stability slider to control how consistent the voice sounds. Higher stability keeps delivery steady and controlled. Lower stability allows more variation and emotion. Then adjust style or style exaggeration to change emphasis and energy. Increasing style exaggeration makes the voice more animated. Reducing it keeps it neutral. Make small adjustments, then pause. These controls directly affect tone and rhythm, so set them to match your script's mood. Now, click Generate to create your AI voice. The button is usually below the text box. Click it once and wait while ElevenLabs processes your text. You'll see a loading indicator, and then a playable audio clip will appear on the page. Avoid clicking multiple times while it's generating to prevent duplicate outputs. Next, preview your audio and make edits if needed.
Brave warrior.
Click the play button to listen from start to finish. Pay attention to names, numbers, and any tricky phrasing. If a line sounds too fast, add a comma or break it into two sentences. If it feels too flat, reduce stability slightly or increase style exaggeration to add expression. If it's overly dramatic, do the opposite. Make your changes in the text box or with the sliders, then click. Generate again to produce an updated version. Repeat this preview and adjust loop until the pacing and tone match what you want. At this point, click Download to save the file to your device. Find the Download button next to your generated audio and click it. Choose where you want to save the file on your computer or device. Wait for the download to complete, then check your Downloads folder to confirm the audio is there and plays correctly. That's all you need to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech. You signed in, added your script, or selected a voice from the voice library, fine-tuned stability and style, generated the audio, previewed it, and downloaded the final file. Your AI voiceover is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.